Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel World of Illustration. Today in this tutorial I'll teach you how to create vector with pen tool. If it's your first time on my channel and you are interested in Adobe Illustrator tutorials, then please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon also. Alright, so here we go. Go to File for placing your picture. Go to Place option and now select your picture and click on place. Now here you can see your picture with your cursor. Drag it to the artboard and here your picture appears. Align your picture to the center of the artboard, horizontally and vertically both. Now embed your picture, click on your picture and click on embed. Press Ctrl+ for zoom in and now select pen tool. Click at your starting point and drag it and adjust it according to your shape. Now leave the handle. Press Ctrl+Z for reverse or undo. Now start tracing your image with pen tool. Fill color should be off and here we will choose the black color in stroke, or if you want another color so you can change it and continue your tracing. Also you must have to remember your starting point because you have to end your tracing at that point so you can fill your color, otherwise you can't fill your color. We will just make a single eye and select them both circles. Now go to transform and reflect. Preview. Now copy. And here is the second one. Adjust it according to the picture. Here your tracing is completed now. Now unlock the picture by pressing Ctrl+Alt+2. Select the shape, press I for eyedropper and fill it with color. Do the same steps with other shapes. Here one object is behind another object, so go to arrange and bring it to front. Here I'll change the back color, double click on the fill color and drag it to the little more darker. Now select the second one, press I for eyedropper and here it is. Here my vector cartoon is ready. Now I will open my hidden layer and adjust our vector according to the picture. You might be thinking about what's the difference between image and vector. Difference between image and vector is if I'll zoom in this picture, you can see it's pixelated, and if I'll show you this vector, so you can see it's not pixelated. That's the major difference between vector and image. Image is pixelated but vector is not pixelated. We will just decrease the stroke weight of its eye. And there we go. We have created cartoon vector with pen tool and Illustrator. And as always guys, please feel free to leave any question or comments down below. Like this video if you enjoyed. Take care and I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.